So yes, first,
Hey guys, Leah here from Unbox. You know, the team and I have been exploring different social media platforms to share our content with you guys. So we have obviously YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, but we recently created a TikTok account. So we already have some content up, but for the first time ever, we will be making a gadget review in our TikTok account, and the challenge is to make it in 1 minute. Before we get to that, guys, you have to subscribe to the channel because we are giving away a Rockspace mystery box that we already unboxed that's worth 10,000 pesos. So the mechanics are in the description box below. Do check it out. Good luck. So how do we create a 1-minute review on TikTok? Well, we asked for help from one of the top creators on the platform, Yanyan de Jesus. Okay, Yanyan, thank you so much for coming all the way here.
Yes po.
So, question, pinapo niya ako. So, question, how long have you been with TikTok?
about 8 months po.
8 months. And
Yes.
what kind of content do you do? Actually, alam ko, but para lang alam ng lahat.
I usually do comedy and dance videos, pero I'm trying to explore more kasi I know na hindi lang naman lahat ng tao hanap isang content lang or isang genre lang. So, mas maganda yung mas maging versatile tayo sa mismong genre na pinuput out natin.
So, why did you choose TikTok? There are a lot of platforms online, but why is this your, should I say, home platform?
Kasi actually, I'm such a app hoarder. So kahit anong app po talaga dina-download ko, then I will try it. Then if I get bored, I will uninstall it. Pero then I found TikTok. And dun yung app talaga na hindi ako na-bored. Kasi sobrang convenient na talaga when you post a video, sobrang bilis. Like 2 seconds posted with your content, comments, and everything.
What's your inspiration? What's the inspiration behind all your videos?
I just want to make myself happy. Then seeing my video, doing silly things, yun, nagiging masaya ako. So, nagkaroon ako ng idea to put it out sa public, and I didn't expect na sobrang daming tao na may mga napapasaya na pala akong tao.
Actually, to be exact, mga 900,000 na tao yung napapasaya niya because yun yung number of followers that he has on TikTok. Actually, I'm so happy that you're here kasi ikaw yung TikTok expert, and we recently just opened our account in Unbox. So we need someone like you to help us create engaging content, not tech-related, because that's what we're all about.
Sure.
Are you game to help us come up with a 1-minute review of a gadget?
Yes, I feel challenged, pero yes, of course.
Challenge accepted, let's do this. So Yanyan, we told you that you will help us review a gadget. Ang hindi ko sinabi it's a barangay-friendly speaker of
it's
Sony.
really big, sobrang
Yes,
laki.
this is the XB72 or Extra Base 72. So, the challenge is for you to review it in 1 minute. Kaya ba?
Yes. Yes.
Parang hindi convincing. Kaya ba?
Yes.
Alright,
Kaya.
guys. Kaya daw. So guys, if you want to see the end video, we will not be posting it here. It will be in our TikTok account, UnboxPH, so do check us out, and we'll see how Yanyan does the whole shmiz to make it interesting. A 1-minute video review. So let's do that. So Yanyan, thank you so much for being here. Before we end, can you give us 3 tips on how we can be good content creators in TikTok?
Sure. So, number 1 is don't aim to be famous. Never. Kasi lalaki talaga ulo mo. Okay? So, second, may connection siya. Keep your feet on the ground. Always be humble. Third, the most important thing, make yourself happy first before making anyone else or everyone else happy.
So thank you so much for that.
Thank
And guys, if you want to have your own accounts and you want to check out Yanyan and us on TikTok, make sure to download the app. Available siya sa App Store and Play Store. And yeah, follow us. What's your TikTok account again?
My TikTok account is Yanyan de Jesus 1.
So there, if you need, to be happy for a day, go check out his account. So actually guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram and TikTok. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye!
Bye!